Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. So today is the day where the hurricane hits Florida. Right now it's in the west side. This is what it's looking like outside. It's a little windy, but it's not like, it's not bad. So I wanted to do just an update on the weather here, since you guys have been asking in the comment section how I'm doing. I'm doing okay. If there's any changes in the weather, if it starts raining or whatnot, I will film it. But yeah, everything is okay here as of now. This is what it's looking like in the front yard. No rain yet. It did rain like around 8 o'clock. It was a light shower. But yeah, that's about it. And yeah, I will be filming videos today. If you want to see anything, just leave in the comments and I'll get to it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.